Hi everyone, my name is Octavio, Enterprise Solution Specialist at Faraday, and welcome to Faraday's tutorials. In this video, I will explain how to automate part of your workflow with Faraday. For this tutorial, we are going to use jobs and pipelines. Now we are on our vulnerability section with the Nessus report already uploaded. So in here we have 31 medium vulnerabilities, and we want to process all of this information in order to have the vulnerabilities that we want to work with. So we're going to jump into our jobs first and then into our pipelines. Our job is our minimum action of automation that we can do on Faraday. So in this case I have set 4 stages for this automation. The first one will be to set accountability impact equal to true. So in this case we have a workspace that is called accountability app, and this of course is a workspace for a fictional accountability app. So if we have vulnerabilities into this application, we should have that impact selected into our Faraday. So in this case, in my job editor, I have selected a vulnerability as an object and then an attribute that will be the severity equal to medium. This is because we have 31 severity, medium severity vulnerabilities. With this attribute, we are going to set the task to update the impact accountability field. The second stage will be to change the severity and tag that specific vuln. So in this case, I have selected a vulnerability as an object, and then the attribute will be the impact accountability equal to true. This is because on the last stage, we have already selected this field equal to true. So in this case, this should be already selected. The task will be to update the tag into accountability impact, and then the action will be to update the severity to high. The third stage will be to tag all the HSDS vulns. So if you have noticed on our vulnerability section, we have a lot of vulnerabilities that has on the name HSDS and other ones that has jQuery on the name. So in this case, the attribute will be to contain the HSDS into their name, and the task will be to append the tag to HSDS. In this case, it is append and not update because we want to add that specific tag. In the case that we select update, it will replace the tag that it already has to the one that we have selected. The fourth stage will be just the same, but not with the HSDS on their name, but the jQuery. So we have all of this saved. Okay, we are going to save and affect the pipeline. And of course, on the pipeline, we will have 2 ways in order to run this. The pipeline, in short words, will be a job sequence. So in this case, we're going to include all the stages that we already saw on the job feature. So in this case, we have all of our jobs already sequenced, and then we have the target. In this case, we're going to specify the workspace that we want to affect. So we will have 2 ways to run this pipeline. In the first one will be to leave it enabled. What this will do is every report that you have uploaded to Faraday will pass through that pipeline. And the second one will be to force that pipeline to run now. So I'm going to click over here and run pipeline. So we are going to jump again into our vulnerability section to see that every vulnerability that we had now it's already changed the severity with the tag that we wanted to assign. And if we enter inside each one, we're going to have our impact selected into accountability. So that would be it. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.